Hi guys, how's it going? In this video we will learn about the migration. In here you can see there is a directory called database. Inside that we have a directory called migrations. Inside that we have 4 files. The first part of them there is a timestamps. Then there is a name of what this migration do. First we have create, then the name, and then the table. I'm gonna open XAMPP. My database name is programmer. If I go here, I can see 5 tables. The one table which is extra is the migrations table. Migrations table is handled by Laravel itself. It records all of the table it has created. When you run PHP artisan migrate commands, Laravel created these 4 tables. Once you create the migration, you never have to touch it. It's not like when you run the migration, you can change it. Let's go back to PHP Storm, open this file. In here, I need name to be like username. So how do I update this field? We have to create a new migration. So let's open the terminal. Type here PHP artisan make migration update underscore user underscore table underscore name underscore to underscore username space hyphen table equal users. Hit enter. Now you can see our migration has created successfully. Open this file. You can see the table name here, users. We want to update this table. Type here $table, rename column, name, username. Whenever you do something for up, you have to do reverse on the down. Here I type $table, rename column, username, name. When you want to roll back this will be useful code. Let's open terminal. Type here PHP artisan migrate. Now if I go to the users table, you can see the column is now changed to username. This is how the migrations work. Hope you like this video. See you in the next one.